Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the throttle body here. Got this, the new LX5 throttle body. Get that thing cleaned up. I'm going to show you how to take it down, tear it apart, and then so we'll tear it down, we'll clean it, and then I'm going to paint it, and then we'll put it back together. So let's do this. Alright, so I pulled out the throttle positioning sensor, the IAC, and then the blade itself. Like, look at this stuff. Like, there's just caked in there. So now next thing all I gotta do is just pound this shaft out that way. But yeah, so I'll probably try and clean that off a little bit and then get it pulled out. So let's keep going. Okay, so here the throttle body is in its barest state. So just pretty much pulled this out. There's this little spacer at the end, and the round side went in. So then this little concave part faces out, and that went over this shaft here. Then you always got to kind of remember how the spring is coiled in there, and when you put it back in, you got to put a little tension into the spring again. But yeah, so now we'll start cleaning this up and getting it ready to be painted. So let's get it clean. Alright, so I cleaned up the IEC a little bit. The blade's clean. The shaft is clean. That's clean. I'm just letting it kind of warm up, and then I'm gonna lay down some etching primer on it, and then we'll probably paint it black. I got some engine enamel black, so we'll first put down some of this, and then we'll paint her black. So let's get this thing painted. Alright, so we got it painted. Pretty good coverage. And now we're gonna lay down some engine enamel. So, should look good. It's black. So, don't really need any attention to the throttle body, so we'll paint it black. So, let's get this thing painted. Alright, well, it's dry. Turned out pretty okay. I mean, for as impatient I am. It's been drying for, I think, an hour or so now. Did a quick little live stream. So, yeah. Now let's try and get this thing assembled without fucking the paint. It's a little bit tacky. It says an hour and then you can handle it, so just gotta be careful, I guess. So let's get this thing back together. Alright, so it's done. Got it good and painted and all cleaned up. There's this side. There's that side. We'll just have to clean up the surface up here, because it's obviously covered in paint poop now. So, but yeah, so that's basically just how you go about cleaning it up. And giving it a little spritz of some paint. So yeah, turned out pretty good. I used Loctite on everything because I saw that there was a little bit of residual from that. So, I mean, definitely want to use Loctite on those. Because you do not want that blade to come loose. It would take a lot to have it fly out, but you never want that. That would be bad. Even if it came loose, I guess, it could jam up, and that'd be really shitty. Have the fucking throttle stuck open. So, But yeah, so that's how you go about getting that thing all good. Got that good. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.